Sulyap editor ngayon? Editor-in-chief ng Sulyap?
Chairman lang.
Nga?
Chairman lang.
Chairman. Chairman ng Sulyap Pinoy, si Sir John. Ang mga PEWA. Yan, ang mga officers ng PEWA, si Julius. At ang ating presidente ng PEWA, si Sir Marcy. Celebration ng PEWA at Sulyap Pinoy and also EPS Batch 6 get together party dito sa Hewadong. Ayan. Neon.
Hintayin nyo lang sila.
And si Michael.
Morning starts to shine with teardrops in my eyes. And here I am starting to realize that my days will be bright if I can learn to laugh. And feelings that I have for you keep hurting me inside. Then my day begins with simple thoughts of you, hoping that tomorrow will be new. Sharing dreams with each other and making them come true, holding one another, saying all I need is you. But will you say that you love me and show me that you care? Say when I need you, you will always be there. But if you go with me, this I swear is true. My love will always
Si Owen ng Sulyap Pinoy. Ayan. Yung naka-black jacket.
Maaari ka ba i-happy tayo